Hi and welcome to the Malat Cookery channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing smoked barbecue rub. So I originally came up with this rub so we could replicate that smoked barbecue flavour in the kitchen, mainly through the winter when we weren't having barbecues. However, it is just as delicious on food cooked on the barbecue. So as usual, a full list of ingredients for this recipe will be given at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. So I think the easiest thing to do to measure these ingredients is to do it in parts, because obviously I don't know how much rub you're going to need. So we've got 2 parts paprika, 1 part garlic powder, 1 part onion powder, half a part or 0.5 of coarse black pepper, 0.5 or half a part of table salt, and 1 part brown sugar or demerara sugar. We're also going to need a disposable foil tray. These are really cheap, and some smoking chips, and I'm using these whiskey smoking chips. Gonna need some charcoal as well, but that's outside. First thing to do then is we take all of our ingredients and just blend them in the tray. Right, so I'm using this mini Kamado grill for this, but you can use an old saucepan if you like. All we need to do is we need to light we've got 3 small pieces of charcoal in the base of this. Want to light it. We're not really interested in the heat, we just want to make sure that there's enough heat in the charcoal that the smoking chips actually start to smoke. If you're going to use firelighters, don't use liquid. If you're going to use firelighters, then I would suggest placing these into a chimney starter first, and then once the charcoal sets and starts to burn, take it out of there and put it in here. What you don't want is any residue firelighter smell actually going onto the rub. I'm going to be using the mother of all blow torches. So now the coals are ready. Next thing to do is we add our chips. So if you've never used these kind of smoking chips before, normally you have to soak them. I've been soaking these for half an hour. A good tip is to pour boiling water in and then just let them soak in that. They just seem to take up the water better. You don't need a lot. I'm going to put the grill on, put our rub in there, and then literally every 10 or 15 minutes I'm just going to open the lid, mix that up, put it back. This is going to be going for about an hour. Okay, so that's our rub done. Beautiful. So there you go, smoked barbecue rub. Honestly, it's an absolute game changer. If you've never tried this, you're going to have to. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.